Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to discuss about loose versus strict comparison. So to understand this topic, let's jump into the Visual Studio Code. So in our last session, we have discussed about this equality operator where we have used this double equal to sign to compare two numbers. So if you run this program, then you will find that it will return us the true value. So let's look into that. And here it has indeed returned us the true value. So now the question over here is what actually loose comparison is. So to answer your question, I would tell that loose comparison is the comparison between two values ignoring the data type. So what does it mean? So here, whenever you are using double equal to, so that means you are ignoring the data type. In case if you are passing this value like one is the 30, another one is also 30, but that is a string. If you compare this, then you will find that this will return us true. So let's look into that. And here you will find that it has indeed returned true, but both are different. One is a string and one is a number. So to make it a strict comparison, we need to put another equal to symbol over here. Then it will return us false. So let's look into that. So see here, it has returned false, as we have told the JavaScript interpreter that you have to also compare the data type by adding another equal to symbol along with it. So that means we are restricting it with the data type comparison as well. And this way of comparing the two values is called strict comparison. Strict comparison also contains data type comparison along with the value comparison that we will specify with three equal to symbol. So here you must be asking why JavaScript is telling it is true even though both are having different data type. So what is happening behind the scene? This string value is first converted into a number and then it is being compared. And all this happening behind the scene. So that the reason whenever you are comparing with two equal to sign, that means loose comparison we are using. So on that time it is ignoring this string value and behind the scene it is converting into a number and then comparing it. And that's the reason we are getting true every time. But the moment you will put another equal to sign, that means you are telling that don't convert it, better you can directly compare it. So it finds that this value is a string value and this one is the number value, and both data type is not matching, and that's the reason it is throwing false. It is giving us the output as false like this over here. Now we will look into not equal to with a strict comparison, and in that case you just remove the first equal to sign and put exclamation mark, so it become a strict not equal to sign. So that means it will check the same thing for not equality. So let's look into that, and this time it will return true. So see here, it has indeed returned true as both the values are different in terms of data type. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.